isn't very wise. I love you guys. This is getting crazier. Feels like we're in danger.
Once upon an egg roll, there was a super samurai kung fu fighting hero. Her name? The Bouncing Bunny.
Okay, and then?
Yeah, then what?
Hey,
Oh, you're the narrator, remember? It's your story. You can make anything happen.
hey,
Oh, yeah. Okay, then Bouncing Bunny,
hello!
she arrived to save the villagers from... Oh, a no-good villain squirrel. That's you, Merle.
Yes, this I figure it out. But no, the squirrel, he will not play these ridiculous games of smashing the furniture and making a mess. If you wish to play the chopsucky grass hockey, you can do this out of the side. No! Again, I say, I am not the karate chopping bad guy. This I am not.
But you sure look like a bad guy.
What? No, I do not.
But bad guys always yell.
I am not yelling! I mean, let me do the rephrasing again. This time, dressed as an astronaut. The Kung Fu villains, they do not look like this, yes? I am off to space, whoosh, where there are no Kung Fu games.
The villain used every evil trick he could think of, including the old, I am off to space, whoosh, where there are no Kung Fu games. But...
But Bouncing Bunny was not a fool who could be easily fooled. Ha-ha! Hello, my name is Merle, and this is my frowny face, cause I'm a big old grumpy butty poo-poo.
Okay, enough of this. I shall be your villain.
Really? Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
I mean, being a really good bad guy, it ain't exactly a walk in the park, Merle.
I will not only walk in this metaphoric park you speak of, I will destroy the park. I shall be the worst Kung Fu villain you ever imagined. Yay!
The evil Kung Fu squirrel rode into town.
I raid the village, plunder the town. I will close the orphanage. Cry, little pandas, cry! They ask for evil, the evil I give them. Servant, come here, chop, chop! Tell me, old servant, how long have you been working for me?
20 long years, oh noble rodent!
Excelente! You are fired!
But why, master?
Because I am evil, haha, and rule with the fist of iron.
Yeah, nasty Kung Fu Merle. He was plungering the town and ruling it with his iron tail.
This is not what I said.
I'm the narrator, so everything I say is true.
It's true, Merle. Narrator rules.
The metal tail? This I did not expect. But the tail, she wags with extra evilness.
Merle, the evil tail-fighting squirrel, now ruled the land with his iron tail of sting. That is when the Bouncing Bunny they call Bouncing Bunny came to the rescue.
Tail-fighting squirrel, you will not close the orphanage, ha-ha!
But I already did. See the orphanage of which you speak? It is now closed. Ha ha!
All help! It is very dark in here for my very sad orphan eyes.
Bouncing Bunny, it is I, tail-fighting squirrel, who told you now that I will do as you said I will not do, yes? Ha!
No, I do not know what it is that you just said that you would do or not do. But it is not the doing or the not doing that I would like to do. Aha!
Huh?
Okay.
Hey! No fair!
Then the villainous tail fighter hung his head and cried.
What?
He cried and cried and cried and cried.
You made me cry!
Yes, I know. I am sorry. But you are the villain. Haha.
Well, then, you shall pay for that! What you just said!
Well, okay.
Only one shall be the one who is the victorious one! Ha-ha!
Yeah, so, narrator, what happens next?
Oh, I know.
What is this?
It is Godzilla!
Goal! Stick to the Kung Fu story!
Oh, sorry. So, meanwhile, the villain tail fighter made the most powerful tail fighting tail in all the world. Then he accidentally hit his thumb.
Goal! Stop that! My thumb, she cannot take the narration.
And then he checked to make sure that his awesome new stink fighting tail was really, really stinky.
Oh, Carl! Narrator, this, it is enough.
Then he let it rip with a Kung Pao Pew!
Oh, Carl!
And then he made a little squeaky air dumpling. And then...
Enough! Let us move on.
His new tail fighting tail was so powerful, no weapon could break it. Plus, it, had all other kinds of amazing powers that I haven't thunk up yet. Even the narrator was so scared, he touched his panda ting ting.
Ha! Ting Ting is no ting.
What are you doing, narrator? Tail fighter is stronger than ever. To defeat him, we must battle together as one. Haha.
Oh, I did not know that, haha.
That's because I just added this bit to the Kung Fu story.
Oh, I like it. And so began the training of the one they called, Gullhopper.
Goal! Get on with the story.
Oops, sorry. Now that the training was over, Gullhopper was ready to help Bouncing Bunny take on that evil tail-fighting squirrel.
I will put an end to the beginning. That is you, starting now, with my magical super fighting tail.
Yeah, go Bouncing Bunny!
Ha! I am the victor who is victorious in his victory over those who are not victorious. Ha!
Sorry. You're who now?
And never mind, narrator. And now, I shall do the finish of the finishing of you who are finished. Ha!
But then the narrator remembered something really important. Tail Fighter's fighting tail was never meant to be used by bad guys, and it could fly. And it could electrocute bad guys. Then the magic tail fighting tail got its revenge.
I regret nothing except for the party!
Tail Fighter was beaten by his own tail.
And what happened, Go?
Well, the evil Tail Fighter saw the error of his ways.
Yeah? And then what?
he and his tail made up.
And then?
They were married in the spring.
Aww.
Yeah, and then they started a family and lived happily ever after.
Great story, Mr. Narrator.
Oh, but then there was a terrible storm, and the brave jungle explorer turned to his faithful elephant and said, "Oh, faithful elephant,